it really smelled like something was on fire in this car. Let me know in the comments below if you've had something like this happen. Let's get into the Bronco here. We'll get on with today's video. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that kind of occurred over the first little while of having the Bronco. We were driving, and so I'm just gonna start it here. Okay, so we would be driving. We would have the heat cranked all the way up. You know, you want to be nice and warm. You put the heated seats on, the heated steering wheel. But then after like, I don't know, maybe like 20 minutes of driving, 10 minutes of driving, we would just smell this like terrible smell. Like it smelled like electrical fire or something like that. You know that? It's like a really distinct smell. You know what I mean? It never leaves your head, never leaves your nose. It smelled like something was on fire. This was one of the Broncos that sat in a yard waiting for the new top, the hard top, to get replaced because they had quality control issues on those and they had to replace them. So this was one of those vehicles that sat in the yard since, I want to say July until November, end of November. We were thinking that something in this, maybe something in the in the car would get so hot that when the heat was on full blast, it would just reek. But I was cleaning the car the other day, and I'll show you this clip. I'm just wiping this thing down right now, and I noticed this wire hanging here. Look at this. It's from the defrost. I guess the car does have like 1,600 kilometers on it, so maybe that's normal. This one's on there good. I want to say that this is the reason it stunk so bad. And if you look here, there's like a little goober. I don't know if I can zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in with this thing. But there's like a little booger of solder or something hanging there. And if you look at this, it's not the clearest. I'll try and like get a shot like this and then maybe I can zoom in on it. But it's not a perfect connection. You can see a lot of like pockets in there and stuff like that where it was soldered but it wasn't, you know, completely attached. This side's okay, but even there, if you zoom in, you can really see that it's not the best connection. Let me know in the comments below if you've had something like this happen. Just wanted to jump on here and kind of throw that out there. If you guys have been smelling stuff or whatever, check back there, see if one of the little dinglings fell off. If they did, maybe it'll stop smelling. Anyways, I'm sure we'll contact the dealer and they'll be super helpful as always with any warranty stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching. I think that's so crazy. This is 100%. That's something we were smelling. It's probably the glue melting off of this piece.